For the drawstring bag, you're going to be needing office pins, a pair of scissors, your needle and thread, the drawstring rope, the beads, which will be at the top and at the tip of the drawstring rope. These are optional. And then of course you need the material. First, you're going to cut out your material into any shape that you want. This is a rectangular shape. After cutting out your material, you're just going to fold a little part of it, the longer side. You're going to fold it like this. I ironed it out so that you can see it clearly. So this is what I have. If you have a two-faced material like this, you see that a part is shining, the other part is dull. Please, the place you are folding into the dull part should be the shining one. This will be the one that will be obvious at the top of your bag. So it should be the shiny one over the dull faced. So just like this one, we have another one. You're going to be making use of this too. The same folding, it should be equal. The same folding. So what you're just going to do is to lap them together. This part is the inner part. This one right here. So you're just going to lap it over this.
Every beat tells a story. Every thread.
The folded part that is obvious is at this side, and the other side also, the obvious part is the folded one. So now you're just going to use your office pin to pin them together, to hold them together, so that when you're sewing, the materials will not get shifted. I'll start attaching from the top. Alright, so this is what I have. But this is not all. This is just to hold still. And I noticed that this place is not equal. So I'm just going to cut with my scissors to make sure it's equal. It's very important because this is where my drawstring rope is going to come out from. So I need it to be equal.
Luxury and love so perfectly combined. From every shade to every size, this beauty.
Right then, so after trimming, we are just going to bond the edges of the bag so we can have it smooth. My lighter is bad, so I'm just going to make use of matchsticks. See how neat it is. So this is what you're going to do all around the bag to make sure that the edges are smooth. I am also going to bond this part.
From the hand, the clothes, the you've been hold. Luxury and love so perfectly combined.
Right then, so this is what we have. All the edges are very smooth now, and our work is very neat. So what we're just going to do is to sew around. You're going to start your sewing from here, just a little above the folded part. You're going to sew all the way here and the side and stop at just a little above the folded part. You don't close up this gap, you just stop somewhere else and somewhere here. I want to hide my loop. So this is where I'm starting from. Check the other side and make sure it's above also. Starting from here. And then I'm going to sew all the way down to the bottom.
Every beat tells a story. Every thread shines with grace. From the hands that craft the beauty to the smile it lights on your face. JD's craft where dreams are designed. Luxury and love so perfectly combined. From every shade to every
So I have been able to sew around from here downwards to the bottom to the other side, and I stopped at the exact place where I started from this other end. Alright, so this is how it's looking. Now I did not cut my thread, I just left it hanging because I'm still going to use it. This was where I stopped. So I'm going to be attaching. Please, you don't attach them together. You open the bag, and then you attach just one side. This part. Just sew them together. Remember, you still have space here. Alright, so you just sew this together.
from the hand the clothes that you've been hold. Luxury and love so perfectly combined. Every beat tells a story. Every thread shines with grace. From the hands that craft the
Successfully, I've sewn this place together to the very end. I'm also going to do the same for the other part. This is how it's looking inside. Very neat. So I'm going to do the same for this other part. My thread is still here. So I'm going to sew across till I get to the other end to this place. This is what we have. I'm just going to tie the thread here. This is how it's looking. The other end also is like this. So now we are going to be needing our drawstring. You're just going to place it into a bead and tie temporarily. This will help it to pass through easily. Just take it in. I only placed it into one part of the bag, so it's going to enter the other part also. You tie at the end so they don't come off. So that's for one part. Now you're going to pick another rope. So take note where this one came out from. You're going to pass this into one of them, into one of the folded parts. Let it come out from this end. Then this other one, you tie your bead. That is the other end. You tie your bead and then it passes through the other folded part. can remove your bead and then you tie. So this is what you have. You tied at this end, then the other one you tie at this end also. This will enable you to create that gathering. So after this, you're going to sew to put the thread in place. Make sure when you're sewing, the rope is always below. Always push them below as you sew. For ease, I'm going to be making use of my office pen. Make sure you're not sewing too tight, else it will be difficult for you to drag when you're closing the bag. So you're going to leave enough space for the thread to move freely inside when you're drawing it. So let's see here. So this is how it is looking like. I'm just going to sew the same way I sew this part, this down part, separately. I'm going to sew this separately and also here separately. So now we are going to join them together and sew. You're just going to sew from here upward. To the smile it lights on your face. JD's craft, where dreams are designed. Luxury and love so perfectly combined. From every shade to every size, there's beauty here for every life. Not just a bag, it's art you can hold. A touch of class more precious than gold. Affordable grace where style begins. JD's craft, what elegance lives within. So this is what we have. Now I'm just going to see how the inner part looks like. You bring out the rope from here. This rope that is inside, you just tuck it in. Make sure it comes out from the other end. Like so. You see this hole in between? You're going to pass this knotted side into it in order for it to come out from this other side. After that, you're going to fix your bead at this tip. Luxury and love so perfectly combined. From every shade to every size, there's beauty here for every life. And then you tie it. Just a bag, it's art you can hold. A touch of class more precious than gold. Affordable grace where style begins. JD's craft where elegance lives within. JD's craft, luxury. You do the same for this other side. Make sure it's not able to come out. You draw it. So this is it. Every bead tells a story. Every thread shines with grace. From the hands that craft the beauty. So the shiny part is at the outer side, and then the doll face is the inner part. Alright then, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this is very useful to you. If it's going to be useful or this video is useful to you, please let me know in the comment section. Till we meet again, bye.